Welcome to the video summary for Monday 23rd of November. This is the live trading summary that we have for the session that we did at Traders Haven today. What we're going to do is show you a couple of the trades that we entered into. The one that we're looking at right now is the Swissy trade that we're still in at the moment. You'll notice that we targeted the bottom PPA there, and we did this because of a ZLB pattern. And if you're a follower of the MDM thread at Traders Haven, you'll recognize that as a zero line break. And so what we did was we jumped in short, as you can see on the open of this candle roughly here, and then we waited for it to go down. When we hit about 25, I think it was 25, 26 pips in profit, we put our stop loss at break even. We hit about 35 pips in profit, and so we protected 2 pips on that one. And so we're leaving it there at 2 pips profit in case this comes back out and stops us out at +2. Otherwise, it's going to move down and give us a good profit down at the bottom PPA. And so that's the one trade that we're in at the moment. Still haven't closed that one out, but let's have a look at one that we did close out. This is the Euro USD. Right, so here's the Euro 4-hour chart in front of you now. Again, we saw a ZLB pattern form, as you can see there, and you'll notice we're not in a trade at the moment because this one is already closed out. And the reason for that is when we jumped in along, you'll notice that it didn't go against us even 1 pip. It continued up for us beautifully. But when we hit the 149.92 area, we were looking at that area roughly here, and that's where we were at 149.92. We were in this area, and again there we noticed the heavy resistance. We were just below the 1.5 level as well, and so what we said was, we're sitting at 38 pips in profit at 149.92. We were plus 38, and we thought, well, we can risk it, or we can start the week out right and put 38 pips in the bank. And so that's what we did. We closed it out at plus 38. We've locked in 2 pips on the Swissy, so at the worst we'll have 40 pips to start the week out right. At best, we'll get between 100 and 110 pips if the Swissy hits its target. And so those are the 2 trades I'd like to highlight for you. We did a couple others as well that worked out nicely, and one that's still in on the yen, that's at break even. I can't obviously give you a summary of all of them, but if you want to join us in the live trading sessions and see how we set up these patterns, how we trigger them and manage them as we go through the trading day, join us at fap-tradershaven.com. And you can also join us in the live sessions and see how we go about doing these things on a daily basis. And I'm sure you'll learn a lot and also be triggering these trades yourself in no time.